I will tell you, this has been a game changer for me. I mean, I told the vice president of the Meadows of outpatient, I said, this is a game changer. It makes it to where I can have 12 to 13 patients because we're busting at the seams, get excellent documentation, have a work-life balance, and it is a game changer. So thank you for the product.
So I just feel like it gives us more data versus stating, like based off of what we're seeing, our previous collateral, things that the client reported. They're showing there's all the different assessments on there that most of our clients flag for because we're severe mental illness. And we just I know this is fairly new, so I don't have a good assessment as to if this is making us get more authorized time or if it, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not fully sure yet, but I do know when payers are looking at our UR forms, they want specific data. Like, they don't really care too much about the trauma narrative. They want to see the scores. They want to see the medical reasoning. And it's kind of hard to argue with these assessments. So I believe it's going to be way helpful to the clients too, to get more coverage and treatment. But also our notes just look, way more high level.
Good news.
Natalie, which sections were you finding most useful on the intake summary?
So for the intake summary, the ones that have been helpful is the substance ones, mainly because when it asks for addiction history, it kind of concises it pretty well. Only things we ever really have to add is what their quote experience is of past treatment facilities. The GAD-7, the mental health history, is also very helpful for us. So we use that quite a bit as well. And then the relapse history. So if there is any relapse history, relapse risks, that section also gets added into our psych socials.
So how hard are you finding it to get the summaries from the Vista Notes and into your EHR?
Oh, they've been pretty easy, other than changing patient to resident and then adding a couple of things if it needs to be more specified. It's pretty much copy and paste.
It uses the add session summary at the top. And this is probably like the holy grail for us. So we could just put a couple phrases or bullet points of what we did, as opposed to writing full sentences. Or even like I'll put in worried about returning home, taught coping skills for depression or whatever. And it will generate like a full-on summary for me, in proper English and is very thorough. So again, I always, take a second look at what's there, but it saves a lot of time. And it also, I think, increases accuracy for us.
Yeah.